Good morning, guys. Jim at Escapes Lawn Care. We're at our project lawn and we're getting close. So today is the bird of paradise. We're going to take a lot of these that are tilting that way. We're going to thin it out a little bit. So we're going to take this stalk out, and obviously we're going to get some of these other ones. As you can see, they're pretty big. Look. So obviously, yeah, these are some rot up here. So we'll probably take and thin most of it out. See the bird? That's why they call it a bird of paradise. Lots of these birds everywhere. So as you can see, I got work to do. And we're going to take it off of the fence, and so we're going to thin it out quite a bit, and it's a lot of cutting, and I'm not sure what we're going to do here. I'll take a look at it as soon as I give you some areas, so stay tuned. It's easy to cut, but there's just a lot of it. I think we're going to thin all that out as well. Wow, that's a lot going to the dump. Hands. I need some water. One of those stalks went over the fence. I have to get a hold of the neighbor. Be right back. Well, it's going to take me a lot longer than I thought. Well, so 15 minutes worth of work here. We got a bunch of old stuff we're gonna get rid of. We'll see what's leaning on the tree. When you see one that's going that direction, or leaning on the fence. These things are just so massive. Easy to cut down, but I think I cut down what, 4 stalks? Look at them, guys. 1, 2, 3 stalks. Look how massive they are. See, there's a bird of paradise right there. It's pretty. Another one there. They bloom all the time. Summer, winter, fall, doesn't matter. Then they dry up and look like that. Anyway, so I have to cut this up a little bit more. Put it in my truck. So we did a lot of trimming on this one, and then now we gotta do this one. I ran out of time, so next week I'll do that one. But I'll give you guys some information. Don't price the job, you know, by how much time it takes to cut down. You price it by how much time it takes to clean up. Cutting down something is simple. It's just dragging that debris, putting it in your truck, cutting it to little pieces so it'll fit on your truck. It takes them more time. So price it based on the cleanup, not how much time it takes you to cut it down. So remember that. I'm full, guys. I am full. Peace. Project lawn number 5, I think. Peace.